If you want to unlink your Venmo account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture, to access the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to social settings. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled social or social settings. Tap on it to view your connected accounts. Step 4. Disconnect Facebook. Find the option for Facebook within the social settings. There should be an option to disconnect or unlink your Facebook account. Tap on it and confirm your choice. Step 5. Verify disconnection. After unlinking, return to the social settings to ensure that Facebook is no longer listed as a connected account. This confirms that your Venmo account is successfully unlinked from Facebook. By following these steps, you can easily unlink your Venmo account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Venmo support.